What's up, y'all? This is the lovely weather we're having in Lorraine, Ohio. I technically live in Amherst, Lorraine, Ohio. Yes, I'm at a hotel. I'm visiting a friend. But this is the weather we're having. Actually, my daughter's here. So, this is the weather we're having in Lorraine, Ohio. It's really coming down out here. Look at it, it's flooding. I'm off work today, watching football. My Steelers, man, what the hell? Fire that coach, Mike Tomlin. You know, winning seasons don't mean anything if you don't put a Super Bowl ring. Well, there's the weather we're having.